Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to reset your password once you've already logged in. If you've had us assign a password to you and you want to change it, or you just need to change your password, this video is for you. So let's get started. Once you've logged in, click the arrow next to your name and click Account from the drop-down menu. Once on your account page, scroll down to the bottom and click Edit right next to Change Password. Enter your current password if it isn't already there. If you reached out to us, your current password is the password we gave to you. Right below, enter your new password twice. Your new password needs to be at least 8 characters, include one uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, a special character, and a number. Once you're all set, click the blue Update Password button at the bottom. Your password is all saved and you can use it the next time you log in. That's it for this video on how to reset your password once you're already logged in. I hope it was helpful. Please let us know if you have any questions. Happy teaching!
Ellii.